Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today in my video I'm going to do another simplistic bloom. I seem to be on a kick with them. I like to try different colors in each one. So I've done yellow, I've done red, I've done pink. So now today I'm going to do turquoise. So I'm going to try and see how that turns out. And I have my 6x6 tile. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and comment below and ask me a question. Let me know what you think. So let's see what we got here. And by the way, Happy New Year, everybody. Hope everybody has a great new year. Calm, cool, and collective. So let's get started. Okay, let's get started. Put down some white Glidden Premium. It's eggshell. That's what I use for my pillow all the time. Most of the time. All right. Let's try these turquoise colors and see how we make out. Okay, so the first one I'm going to use is golden teal. Well, let me see. I have two opaques, so the other one is, where did it go? Oh, this one is turquoise blue by Behr. I think I'll do this one on the bottom. And then I'm going to do this little piggy mermaid. Try and do it in a more of a rounder shape this time. Oh, now I have phthalo turquoise. And some gold. It's a little piggy, no, 24 karat gold by Art. And then I'm going to put the golden teal on the top. It's also opaque. We have a little bit of green. This is peridot metallic green. I'll try doing this a little bit different. Instead of putting the black in the middle, I'm going to put it near the bottom. So it's a cell activator. Oh, I always get too much black over here. Well, I got lots more color instead of white, which is nicer. I like better. I don't like this one. Too much white showing through. I think the paint was thinner here. Yeah, I can tell. I wonder if I can blow more over. No. Ah, did I wreck it? I'm gonna take this one off. Okay, let's do some embellishing. I definitely like this one better, and I did it more round and more this way instead of just a line across. It made more paint blow out, which took me a while to figure that one out. Jeesh. That's okay. All right, let's give me a spin. Let's let this come up this way more. Well, lots of pretty gold showing through here. Let's give the middles a little bit more design. Take some paint and just push this over. Pretty awesome, actually. Okay. Does it look okay? I think it looks okay. Just want to take some more off here, I think. This one's a little fancy. Pretty colors. All right, I'm gonna let this dry and I'll show you the dried results at the end of the video. So stick around. Have a great day. Hello everyone. Look at this. It's so pretty. It's dried good. That gold shining in there. Look at that. When I resin it, it'll look awesome. Thanks for watching and have a great day.